I'm Katrina, and this is So and Tare, and today is going to be our boy bunny's first breeding, and we're going to see if he's up to the task. Now, he's unproven, so this is his first time. We're going to see if he's see how he does, and I think we're going to pull out Rigatoni first and see how she does with him. And hopefully we'll have baby bunnies at some point. We've been struggling with Parmesan. That's why this new buck is here, because Parmesan is shooting blanks. All right, let's get the boy bunny. Oh, he just peed on me. All right, this is the buck, and he did just pee on me. He's a little scared because it was a little loud, but good boy. Good boy. Did you get to check it out? Yeah, I know. You want pets, don't you? So he is a very gentle boy, and he does like pets. But you also like routine. Yeah, I'll be right back. So this is a video that is going to be rabbits breeding. If you do not want to see that, you can turn it off now. As you can see, I'm wearing a black shirt. White rabbits already happened. But giving you guys a chance to turn it off if you want to turn it off. Oop. Here you go, guys. What do you think?
That's a pretty good size. Pretty similar size.
Oh, he knows what to do. I don't know that she was looking. Oh, there we go. Good girl. You just have to figure it out. No, not that end, sweetie. Wrong side.
Close.
Yeah. Rigatoni, scoot your butt over. That's definitely not gonna work, guys. Rigatoni, can I help you? Can I help you, sweetie? You gotta go that way. There you go. Now he can get to you if he turns around. It took him a while to figure out kind of how things work, and he wasn't very good at romance. So his first little tries with Rigatoni were not all that great. He's still trying to figure stuff out, and we ended up putting her back and then continued on with Ravioli, and so kind of exposed her to him. She wasn't really feeling it. He kicked her in the head a bunch of times by accident. Kicking her in the face. Dude, stop kicking her in the face. Honey, you gotta get away from the edge. He can't get around you. He can't get around you. Go on. You gotta move that way. That's the problem, is she's going along the edges. Alright. Babe, can you move? Can you move over so that we try something different? No, you can't come out. Come on, babe. Oh. Okay. I'm trying to move her so that her head is in the corner and her rear is in the middle, but she likes to be up against the wire apparently. Honey, stop kicking her in the face. Okay, mister, back up. Back up. Back up. There you go. Try that. Try that. I mean, she's not fighting him, but she's also not being very welcoming. All right, it looks like she's not loving it, so we are going to put her back and go get ravioli and see how she does, and then hopefully later Rigatoni will be interested. I know you want pets, huh? Look at this. He's such a sweet boy. You wouldn't know it by the way she just kicked the lady in the face. Okay. What, do you want to try again, or do you want a new lady? And your nose is way too far through here. Because she's going to go away. We're going to bring you a different lady. They've both smelled him on my hands, so at least there's that. But yeah. Hi, sweetie. How you doing? See, another reason why I don't like these is I can't grab her very well. Hi.
Yeah.
Hi. Honey, I'm taking her out. I'm okay. Hi. You don't want me to take her? We'll get you a different lady. You have her hair all over you, sweetie. Can I take her so you can have a different lady who's maybe more into you? She'll come back later. I know. I don't like to pick you up by that. Come here. Come here. Oh, jeez. No, get off. I'm sorry, sweetie. I'm sorry. I gotta pick you up out of here. Okay? Okay.
Is the one making the noises?
Yeah. There's a lady. Her name's Ravioli. Well, good girl. She's lifting for him. Oh, his very first fall off. Like, groom me. Oh, good boy. Wait, are you grooming her or yourself? I think he's grooming himself. Never mind. Both ladies are much calmer than they were with Parmesan. I wonder why. I'm okay with it, but I wonder why. What, mister? Why are you making vocalizations? That is him that's vocalizing, not her. She's teaching you romance, sweetie. You better pay attention. She needs some kisses. Yeah, she needs some kisses. And you gotta move your butt forward. See, she's lifting nicely. That's what it looks like when a rabbit lifts. See how she's up on her toes? Honey, your butt is still by the wire, sweetie. She's lifting for him, but her butt's by the wire.
Okay.
There we go. But he's too tired. What? What is he vocalizing about? Are you frustrated that her backside is always sticking towards a wall? Hi, Ravioli. Hi. I know you want pets too. Can you put your head in the corner? Hi, sweetie. Put your head in the corner so he can get you. What are you vocalizing about? Are you talking to her or did you get hurt? He's talking to her.
I found it really interesting that he was vocalizing so much. I'm not used to that being a vocalization from the male, and really only when I've heard the vocalizations, it's been when the females are rejecting the males, but he definitely was using it in a different way, so that was very interesting.
Number 2.
Yeah.
I think she's too tall for him. I think that's what's going on. He was on his very tippy toes for that.
They took breaks, and they tried again, and they cuddled and all of that. But in the end, we only got 2 fall-offs from him. And I do think that maybe she's a little tall for him. Maybe he's still, I mean, he does still have some growing left to do. And I think he really had to reach. So hopefully that will get better with age for him. And hopefully they produce some babies. So there you go.
What is it, sweetie? You do what you're gonna do? Only 2? Yeah? Alright. Hey, lady. Hey, come here. Come here. Yes, good girl. Good girl. Oh, where are you going? You ready to go home? You ready to go home?
Yeah, let it be.
He did. It all came out all at once. Alright, lady. I gotta squeeze you out of here. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. It's very awkward. I know, it's very awkward for me too. This is not the usual way I get you out, I know. Alright. So here's this little boy. Good job. So he bred, rigatoni was the first one. They did not have any fall-offs, and ravioli was the second one. And she did have fall-offs. She did have fall-offs. And today is the 15th of December. All right, let's put you away. So I think he did great for a first-timer. He got 2 fall-offs with rigatoni, so we're going to be rebreeding her. What time is it? She actually might be the morning one. 6:30. So we'll breed her in the morning, and then we'll check her, and then later in the day we will try and rebreed. We will try and breed rigatoni, and hopefully that'll be good. And then that means Sunday would be a check day for rigatoni. So, or late in the night if we do it earlier. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I just figured this was an interesting one because it was a new buck, you know, and he figured it out pretty quick, so that's pretty good. And hopefully we'll have babies here in about 30 days. So thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like, and if you have not subscribed already, consider subscribing. Share this around and share with someone who wants to know more about rabbit breeding. And that's how we do it. Usually you aim for 3 fall-offs. We got 2, and that's okay. 1 will work, but typically people aim for 3. And yeah, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.